Hi, my name is Paul Lucas. I work here at Acura of Columbus. And one of the things that I would never skip as far as service goes on an Acura would be the oil change. And you know, these cars are noted to last for over 300,000 miles, providing that you change the oil.
At Acura of Columbus, the one service that I would never miss is the tire rotation. Tire rotation ensures even wear, improved handling, enhanced safety, better fuel efficiency, and longer life.
I'm Tristan Creekbaum. I work at Acura of Columbus. I would recommend if you have a V6 Acura, make sure you get your timing belt done and spark plugs at 100K.